Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. So today is Tuesday and May 14, 2024. Right now it's at 10:57 p.m. First a look at the market kind of overnight, how it acted. So overnight is the thing is that we are waiting for like a PPI release this morning. So market go both sides, and in a way it's kind of I guess that's how it functions. You want to kind of poke around and see where is the soft spot. It seems like go up first and come back down, and later it seems like find its way back to the midpoint, and it's making new high when it approach 8:30. So the PPI release is really bring a shocking volatility here, and you can see this this line basically is how many points it moved? Wow, like a 31 point. Honestly, it's hard to kind of imagine how could that happen. So I'm on a 1 minute bar, and you can think of this like a 1 minute bar is like having 31.75 move. That's huge, but it was able to come back, and so later market open kind of upbeat. And if we come back and look at this SPX move here, yeah, it opened and it pretty upbeat, but it seems like it only kind of have to come back down and make the new low, and it did it again. And so there's a speech coming from Fed Chair Powell, and this is sort of like I say, okay, after that, and there's it actually market kind of almost like trying to kind of make a new low and continuously going down here, but sure enough, it's kind of very resilient, and later it only seen it to come back and going above the midpoint, and later kind of making new high. And I think this is one level that I shared yesterday, and indeed it went above 50 to 50. It's just that it did not get to this 50 to 63 level. That's I have to say that's very, very impressive. And I guess here is like everyone prepare the market to dive, but just feel like almost like the market mechanism, and only to see kind of come back up quickly. It could be some kind of short squeeze. I won't be surprised by that. And we look at here on this side, and it's a pretty big up and down and move. So for tomorrow, it's like apparently the futures market, and it's slowly kind of going higher. And by now it's like up 7 points already, and that's that's a really fascinating move. And it seems that tomorrow, probably by 8:30, when it try to kind of when the like CPI data release, likely who is sitting at the top, at the all-time high. Basically, it would be this area somewhere between 50, 52.63 to 52.69 ish, and very likely open around there, and then let the market to make a choice to go either way. That's yeah, that's tomorrow. If it goes wild, and we could possibly see, literally could see like a 5,300, and that's unimaginable. But it's totally possible. Of course, it could go back down here, and going back down here, there would be lots of like supports. This like 52.34, 52.30, and of course this how can we forget about this 52.24, right? And if we say it nothing stop it, be able to stop it, it will keep it continuously going down, and so down here would be these different kind of level here. So but if it continue to go down, then this week could possibly see 51.50-ish. It could go all the way, take out all the kind of supports here, and on the upside it could go to 53.08. So visually, it's a very interesting week. Just a reminder us, this weekend also is option exploration day, like a option of exploration week. So typically, it seems like there tend to be lots of like cross current coming, and it could be very unpredictable and uh, very strange move and big move. Uh, it'll be interesting. So let's look at the calendar quickly. So Wednesday, 7 o'clock comes like a mortgage rate, like a data release, and then it's will be like by 8:30, like at 8:30. These are the CPI data release, like core inflation rate and things like that. It could be nerve-wracking tomorrow here, so it feel like it either going to open kind of after 8:30. It could go to like all-time high here easily, and it could also go down to here, probably or more like around here, 52.24. So if we look at it, yeah, that's about kind of a symmetric, right? So tomorrow, it could be 52.24-ish by the open, or possibly this area, 52.67-ish, like a 52.65-ish area. So yeah, 8:30 could be very like a nerve-wracking tomorrow, and then 10 o'clock it has a business inventory and housing market index, and well, retail inventories, and then 10:30 is like that's a crude oil inventory release, and 11:30 there's a treasury auction, and then 12 o'clock comes like a speech from Fed Kashkari, and 12 o'clock also come a NOPA crash report, and then 3:20, wow, that's a very weird timing there. So 3:20 is there's another speech from Fed Bowman, and then 4 o'clock is like a net long-term TIC flows and foreign bond investment, and also overall net capital flows. So that's pretty much that's about the calendar. That's all I want to share. I think that 8:30, well, I think that everyone know 8:30 is a critical timing, and market could go up. Taking the lesson from today, market could move like 30 points tomorrow, and that means like by the open, it really can be, well, if 30 points is like will be touching high up here or back down here. So I tend to believe, yeah, it would be probably, if it's bad, it would be about this area. So if it's good, then it would be around this area, 52, 67-ish. We shall see. So wish you all the best, and also may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.